Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the best Nhou Rust, Rust-Oleum 248658 Rust Reformer Spray. A fantastic solution for dealing with rust on metal surfaces. Whether you're restoring a car or fixing up some metal furniture, this product is exactly what you need. Rust is a common problem, especially in areas with high humidity or those exposed to salt, like vehicles or outdoor metal furniture. Typically, removing rust can be a hassle. It involves scrubbing, sanding, and stripping the metal down to its bare surface. But with Rust-Oleum's Rust Reformer Spray, you can skip all that work. This product is an innovative solution that transforms rusty metal into a stable, black, paintable surface. It works by bonding with rust at the molecular level, effectively turning it into an anti-corrosive layer. The result? A smooth surface that can be painted over without the need for time-consuming prep work. No need to completely strip the metal or worry about rust returning anytime soon. The Rust Reformer Spray is incredibly easy to use. Simply clean and dry the surface, and then spray the formula on the rusted areas. The unique formula works in as little as 20 to 40 minutes, drying to the touch and allowing you to apply a top coat within 24 hours. This quick turnaround makes it a go-to for anyone in need of a fast and reliable rust solution. What really sets this product apart is its flexibility. With the any-angle spray technology, the can be sprayed in any direction, even upside down. This feature makes it especially useful when you're working on hard-to-reach spots, ensuring you can cover every inch of rust without missing a spot. Rust-Oleum's Rust Reformer Spray also helps prevent future rusting, which means you can extend the life of your metal surfaces, saving you time and money in the long run. Plus, it's a great option for automotive repairs, as it bonds directly to the rust without needing to remove the existing paint or rust completely. For those of you who are looking for an easy-to-apply solution that works quickly and effectively, the Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer Spray is definitely worth considering. With its proven track record and straightforward application, it's an excellent choice for anyone dealing with rust. It's a simple product, but it gets the job done, and that's what matters. If you're looking for a reliable rust reformer that delivers excellent results with minimal effort, make sure to check out the Rust-Oleum 248658 Rust Reformer Spray. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.